Hey, how you doing, and welcome back to the 12 Markets of Christmas. We have finally reached day 12, and today, for the last day, I'm in my hometown of Sunderland. Right, so today's a Wednesday and about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I don't even know if it's open or if it's certainly not busy anyway. And it's really an area designed for kids more than what you'd expect as a standard Christmas market. So as you can see here, there's a stall selling desserts and chocolate things, crumbles, custards. They do burgers, £5, £6 for burgers. There's a little craft stall. As you can see as we walk around, it's more designed for children. Probably going to need to keep talking as I walk around because there's music playing. With a little ride in the middle there, and then there's a full-on fairground ride. And right in the middle is a horse carousel. So this section here in the middle is where you can toast marshmallows. Just to the side of the entrance, there's a little bit of a photo opportunity with the reindeers and the sleigh. And there's a bar, which I am going to get a drink, since I've been doing that at every Christmas market in the series. And here is a bit of an alpine village, a little teepee. Like I said, I don't think it's really open, but in here you can toast marshmallows. It's pretty cosy in here, nice fire burning there with some Christmas trees. Smells like you would expect with a fire burning, but it smells really good and it's really cosy. So let's go and grab a drink from here. There's nobody here, but I'll just wait until somebody does arrive and get a drink. We'll take another look around the market. Right, well, so the bar is open. It's a Party Cruise Campo, which has cost £6, and they've just lit the fire behind here, so I'm going to get cosy having this next to the fire. So cheers everybody, and thanks for watching this series. It's beautiful. Cheers everybody. Right, okay, so when you walk out of this section, there really isn't any more market, so to speak, but if we walk up the high street, they've got all these kind of winter style ornaments. You see it's kind of lined with your typical shops here, and then if we head up to the top there where you see the lights are, that is Keel Square, so we're going to head up there now. Right, so here we are at Keel Square, and as I say, even though there's nothing specifically here for a market, I just wanted to kind of show this area. So there are lots of regeneration programs going on in and around Sunderland, and this is one of the areas. So along here they've got lots of new bars and restaurants, lots of outside seating, which will be lovely during the summer. But around Keel Square they've got all these kind of ornaments and statues, and then at the top of it they've got this beautiful winter scenery going on. So my feeling is, in time, and as I've explained, the council are putting a lot of money into the city to regenerate the area. I do have a feeling that this could be where a Christmas market is held in the future. You're about a 30-minute tram ride into Newcastle, which if you go back a few episodes you will see a really nice Christmas market there. So Sunderland do have to compete with Newcastle in that sense, but I guess at the minute one thing Sunderland does have on Newcastle is the football. But yeah, I can imagine a Christmas market being held in this square in future years, so that's something that I'm going to keep an eye on. So we'll take one last look at this winter scene before we close off for the day. Right, so that brings my time here in Sunderland to an end, and also brings the 12 markets of Christmas to a close. I do hope you've enjoyed this series and exploring the UK's Christmas markets with me. There is a link in the description to all 12 episodes if you do want to go and check it out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and do comment down below if there's any markets that you've been to that I've not been to. What's your favourite market? Is there any other markets that you think I should have gone to that I can go to next year? And thanks for watching, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next video.